the first sum we're going to solve is two sums. In this, the question will consist of input, which is an array, and our target number will be given. What we have to do is we have to find two numbers whose sum should be equal to the target which they have given in the question, and these two numbers should be from the array, and in the output we are supposed to write the index, not the values of these two numbers. Okay, first let's see the concept. What do? We first take one number, and then we will see the complement. If that number is chosen, then what will be the complement? Because target is equal to our current number plus whatever the number which will be complementing it, that is the second number. This will be second number to get the target. Okay, now see how will we do it. We'll do it using a hash map. Here I, and then here will be the value, and then here it is complement number, whichever it is. Okay, first thing, take the first number, that is 2. What is the value of first number? 2. Then what will be the complement? Complement is equal to target minus number, which is 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. Okay, what will we do? We'll search for 7 in the hash map, but we don't have a 7, so we'll just map this down with the index, map this number down with the index. We'll write this line, and then we'll move on to the next number is this. The value is 7 and the index is 1. Now what will the complement? Target 9 minus 7, this number, is equal to 2. Now in the hash map, search for the number value 2. Do we have it? Yes, we have it. It's right here. Then this ends the sum. Then we return the, what do we return? We're supposed to return the index 0, 1. That's all. Okay, now let's look into the code. First we'll define a class named solution, then we'll define a method named toSums, and then this is required to write in methods. It is instance reference, and then we will write this. This is just to say that nums, which is an array, is a list of integers, and that the target is an integer, and that the output of the method will be a list of integers. Then we will create a empty dictionary named hash map. How is the hash map works is, we have a, like here we have an I index, and then we have a value. So wherever you write hash map of v will give us the index. Okay, next for I, num in enumerate is a built-in dictionary, a built-in function, in which what it does, it keeps a list of sequentially keeps a list of both the index and the value. It helps you keep the track of both the index and the value of the array. And then we have complement, which is the second number we'll have to find, because target is equal to number plus complement, so complement is this. And then if complement in hash map, we'll search for the complement from here for the second number. If it is there in the hash map, then we'll return this. This is the output. See here, hash map of complement this is asking hash map for the index of the complement which we found, complement, comma, the number, this one, the original number 1, index of the number 1. Okay, this happens, and this is how we get our output. If at all we do not find the complement in this hash map, we just simply note this line down, and then we keep going, keep writing it in the hash map. Okay, so that is all. Thank you.